Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. A very, I would say, mixed feelings for Eid Mubarak. So, Eid Mubarak to you all. It's been a long time. You have had a long vacation. I hope everyone is safe and healthy and staying at home and maintaining quarantine. So, by grace of Almighty Allah, I am also well, Alhamdulillah. So, today would be, let's say, the final class before we start going through MCQs. We'll just do revision. So this is the final class for exercise 5.1 and also for the portions. Okay, so I have decided to discuss three problems, last three problems, let's say three of the most important problems, which would be actually important for your half yearly portion as well as for your future classes as well. Okay, so I have over here a problem that is number 22 of your exercise 5.1. If you see, the question is 3ab minus cd whole square plus 9 into cd minus ab whole square, then plus 6 into 3ab minus cd into cd minus ab. So this is the question. I need to simplify this problem. Okay, so if you see, first of all, in order to simplify, we need to actually consider which formula I need to compare the problem with. Okay, first of all, I need to select the formula by which I can compare the problem with. Okay, so if you see, here there is a plus, here there is also a plus. Okay, so we know with two pluses there is a formula, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you see over here there is plus, here also there is a plus. Okay, so two pluses, so this also relates. First of all, I need to compare the signs. Then over here there is 2ab. So previous problems which you solved, there was a 2 somehow, but here I don't have a 2 over. Okay, so I need to somehow bring a 2 and I need to match it with this particular formula. Okay, so how to solve it? So if you see, first of all, let us find out the common terms. If you see, 3ab minus cd is also over here, 3ab minus cd is over here. So let us compare this with this formula and say a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us say this is a, right? Let us say this is a. So this will be what? According to the formula, this will be a square, right? Okay, now obviously I need to consider the next one as b. So cd minus ab is also, this we can consider as b, but this also we can consider as b. But if you see, there is a number in front of this b, which is actually not over here. In front of b square there is no number, right? So what I can do is, this I can consider b, but of course you can see over here that there is also a 2 over here. So I will try to bring 2 over here. Okay, so if we can write, let's say for second line equals to 3 ab minus cd. Let's try to arrange first. Okay, since this is actually quite similar to 2ab, because here I also have b, right? So let's try to bring this in between. So we can write 6 3ab minus cd, then cd minus ab, plus I'm over in this second line, I'm just interchanging the position. I'm not doing anything. I'm just only interchanging the position. I'm bringing this particular term over here in between, and this particular term this side. That's it. So I'm just trying to arrange according to this particular formula. Okay, then I will simplify. So 9 into cd minus ab whole square. So over here, if you can see, there is a 2 over here, but I don't have a 2. So I need to convert this into 2. So how can I convert? So we can write equals to 3ab minus cd whole square plus, you see 6, if I have to put a 2 as the formula, so we can write 2 into 3, right? Because 6 equals to what? 2 into 3. Then we can write 3ab minus cd, then cd minus ab plus 9 cd minus ab whole square. Okay, so if you can see, b is what? cd minus ab, right? But if you can see this particular third term, it has a 9. So 9 is the square of what number? 3, right? Because 3 square is what? 9. So what I need to do is, I need to consider this 3 and this cd minus ab as a whole to be b. That means 3 into cd minus ab will be actually my b. Then I can actually arrange this according to the formula. Okay, so we can write equals to 3ab minus cd whole square plus 2 3ab minus cd. 3 I'm just writing in front of this, okay, into 3 cd minus ab plus 9 is what? Square of 3, right? So we can write it, say we can write a second bracket, then we can write cd minus ab, then second bracket close, then we can put a square. So by putting a second bracket and putting a square outside of it, I can say that this is actually, this particular term is the square of this whole. Before it was, the square was only for cd minus ab. So by putting a second bracket over here, what I have tried to explain is, we can now say that this whole term has a square outside of it. Means this 9 cd minus ab can be written as 3 into cd minus ab whole square. Okay, so now if you match with this, if you match this with this formula, see now this is a square, right, plus 2 a is, this one is a, and 3 into cd minus ab, this whole is b. So I'm trying to match this with the formula, okay, and this one is b square. Okay, a square plus 2a, this whole is b plus b square. Okay, now I can write this a square plus 2ab plus b square as what? A plus b whole square. So we can write equals to, a is what? 3ab minus cd, right? So 3ab minus cd plus, and what is b? b is 3 into cd minus ab, this one, 3 into cd minus ab. 3 into cd is 3 cd, then minus 3 into ab is minus 3ab. Okay, so this is a, this is b. Now 3ab and minus 3ab cancel out. So what do we have? 3 cd minus cd. So 3 cd minus cd is what? 2 cd. So 2 cd whole square. So 2 cd whole square means what? 2 square is 4, c square is c square, d square is d square. So this is my answer. Okay, so this is a bit like confusing for you guys, because you might not see, normally in the previous problems what we had is, it was quite similar to the formula which we had, that is 2ab. Here also we had 2, right? But this was actually, we needed to bring a 2, okay, so that I could match it with this formula. Alright, so this is number 22. Next, let's move on to another problem, that is number 31. Okay, so I've actually discussed quite a similar problem related to this, that is let's say from Example 10 was quite similar to it, but not exact. So I will try to discuss this problem as well. So what is the question? If x plus 1 by x equal to 5, I need to prove x square minus 1 by x square whole square equals to 525. Okay. So if x by 1 by x equals to 5, I need to prove x square minus 1 by x square equal to 525. So we can do one thing. Let's put a left hand side and a right hand side. So in left hand side I have over here what? X plus 1 by x equal to 5. Okay. And right side x square minus 1 by x square whole square. Now from x plus 1 by x, I cannot jump directly to x square minus 1 by x square whole square. So I'll try to rather simplify this so that we can get an even number by which like let's say if x plus 1 by x can be converted to that particular number. Let's try to convert this. Okay. So x square minus 1 by x square whole square can be written as, let's say this is a and 1 by x square is b. So a minus b whole square is equal to what? A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So I'm considering x square to be a and 1 by x square to be b. Okay. So and this is a minus b and there is a whole square over here. So I'm trying to convert this. So let's say x square minus 1 by x square can be written as a square, that is x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square. So if you just compare with this formula, I've just written it the same way. Over here x square I have considered this to be a, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. So b was 1 by x square. So this can be written as x square to the power square is x4, then x square gone, so minus 2 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So we can write equals to x4 plus 1 by x4 minus 2. Okay, x4 plus 1 by x4 minus 2. So what do we actually need to get from here? From x, I need to from x plus 1 by x, I need to get into x4 plus 1 by x4. So once I get the value of x4 plus 1 by x4, I can put it over here, because I need to prove that x square minus 1 by x square whole square equal to 525. So I've just converted x square minus 1 by x square whole square into x4 plus 1 by x4 minus 2. See, if I just get the value of x4 plus 1 by x4 from here, then I can just put it over here. Okay. So x plus 1 by x equal to 5 given. So how to get x4 plus 1 by x4? Very easy. First of all, let's do one thing. Let's square both sides. So we can write or x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 5 square. So in bracket you can write squaring both sides. Okay. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to 5 square, squaring both sides. I've just squared, okay, both sides. Next we can write, you see, once we square this has become similar to the formula a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So we can write or x square plus 2 into 1 by x square into x square means 2ab. We can write plus 1 by x square equals to 25. 5 square is 25. Okay, this x square gone, this x square gone. So we can write or x square plus 1 by x square equals to this 2. If I transfer it over here to the right side, it becomes 25 minus 2. So what does it become? Or x square plus 1 by x square equals to 23. Okay, so but I require, this is just x square plus 1 by x square, but I require what? x4 plus 1 by x4. Okay, so I will actually, what will I do? I will square again this both sides. I will square again, so we can write x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals to 23 square. 23 square, just writing squaring both sides. Just draw a line over here. Okay, so x again, let us consider this to be a, this to be b. So what do we get? A plus b whole square, same formula I will just use over here. A square, that is x square is a over here, so x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus b square. B is 1 by x, so 1 by x square whole square equals to 23 square is 529. Okay, so x square whole square is x to the power 4 plus this x square and this x square gone, so only 2 remains over here, plus 1 by x4 equals to 529. Finally, if we shift this 2 over here, x4 plus 1 by x4 equals to 529 minus 2 equals to 527. So I've got the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. x4 plus 1 by x4 is what? 527. So this 527 I will put over here. Okay, so we can write equals to x4 plus, instead of x4 plus 1 by x4 I will put what? 527. So equals to 527 minus 2 equals to 525. So this was what I required to prove. Prove that x square minus 1 by x square whole square equal to what? 525. Okay, so I got 525, so I can write now proved. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So just we need to use one, like both the formulas over here. For this side I have used a minus b whole square, and for this side I have used a plus b whole square. Okay, that's it. Okay, final problem. Actually, if you understand this particular problem, you can easily solve this one as well. Okay, actually let me give it this homework to you for solve 34 at home. Okay, this is quite similar to number 31. Okay, actually more easier than 31, because here m plus 1 by m equals to 2, it's given. You just need to find the value of m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4. So actually if you compare this with 34, this is actually given. Instead of x plus 1 by x, m plus 1 by m is given. You need to find the value of m. Instead of x 4 plus 1 by x4, you need to find the value of m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4. So quite similar. So I hope you can do it at home. Let's try and do another problem, which is actually 28. Let's say 28 is given like 81a square plus 18ac plus c square. Okay, so I need to find the value of this if a equals to 7 and c equals to minus 67. A equals to 7 is given, c equals to minus 67. So I need to find the value. I need to put the value over here. So first of all, if you see, I need to compare this with the formula. Here you can see 2 pluses, right? So we can actually easily compare this with this formula. a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I don't have a 2 over here, so I need to convert this into 2, right? So we can write it in this way. Since in front of a square, here there was no number, but here there is a number. So 81 is the square of what number? 9. So we can write equals to 9a whole square plus, I need to bring 2 over here, right? According to the formula, I need to bring 2 over here. So we can write 2 into 9a into c plus c square. So 9a is actually my a over here and c is actually my b over here. So now I have already converted this according to this formula. Okay. So a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to what? A plus b whole square. So we can also write this as a plus b whole square. My a is actually 9a over here. Okay. This is my a and this is my b. So we can write equals to 9a plus c whole square. So 9 into a means 7. So we can write 9 into a is what? It's already given. A is what? 7. Then plus c. C is what? Minus 67. So we know plus into minus is minus. So instead of writing plus, we can directly write minus 67 then whole square. So 9 into 7 is what? 63 minus 67 whole square. So 63 minus 67 is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square. So minus, we know that if we square a minus, the minus goes away, because minus into minus is what? Plus. So minus goes away. 4 square means 16. So answer is 16. So that's it. That's it for this particular chapter. And let's give you some homework at home. Try and solve number 33, 32, 34, 26, 23. Solve this at home, okay? So next class I will be discussing MCQs from, let's say, some chapters Rafiq sir will discuss, most of the chapters like algebra and geometry I will discuss. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. And with any chapter which I have discussed, please feel free to knock me, okay, on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.